Standard first, subject maths. Hello students. Today we are going to learn about the topic odd and even numbers. Let's revise what we have learnt in previous class. The numbers that are used for counting are called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all natural numbers. The first and the smallest natural number is 1. 0 is not a natural number. The sum of two numbers remains the same even if their order change. Now let's start today's topic with one story. There was a dance competition going on. It was a special kind of dance competition. In that competition, people could participate only in groups of 2 or pairs. So, it was couple dance competition. So, there are 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who have formed their own groups and they are participating in the competition. Now suddenly Mr. 7 comes and he feels very lonely and sad because he does not have a partner whom he can dance with. So he is lonely and sad and he is feeling odd out here in this dance competition because he cannot participate in the competition. So, he needs a partner with him to participate in the competition. So, let us see what happened here. First, Mr. 1 came and he was alone at the competition. He was feeling odd because he could not participate in the competition. But then Miss 2 came and they formed a pair and took part in the competition. But after that, Mr. 3 came and he also felt very odd because he could not participate alone in the competition. Till the time Miss 4 came. So when Miss 4 came, they formed a couple or a pair and participated in the competition. So now they are even. That is, they can now participate in the competition. Same happened with Mr. 5. When he came, he was all alone and he was feeling very odd that he is unable to participate in the competition. Till the time Miss 6 comes and now they form a group or a pair and they are ready to take part in competition. Now similar is the case with Mr. 7. He is all alone and sad. And suddenly Miss 8 comes. So here is Miss 8. Mr. 7 and Miss 8 now formed a pair, that is a group of 2, and they are ready to take part in competition. So Mr. 7 is no more feeling odd. They are even with the other participants. So all are now in groups of 2. So all are now even. Now similar is the case with numbers. Even numbers also feel odd when they are alone or when they cannot be grouped into 2. So if you look at these numbers from 1 to 8, there are 2 types of numbers. I have these numbers and these numbers. We have already seen that these numbers 1, 3, 5 and 7. These numbers cannot be clubbed into groups of 2. We cannot make them or divide them in the groups of 2. So these numbers are called odd numbers. So we call numbers like this as odd numbers. ODD odd. And these numbers 2, 4, 6 and 8, we can break these numbers into groups of 2. We can mix groups of 2 from these numbers. As we had seen, such numbers are called even numbers. EVEN even. And now this is very important concept in mathematics. So every number that you have learnt can either be called odd number or even number. So take any number that will either be odd or even, depending on whether it can be broken down in the groups of 2. So now we have some ice creams over here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ice creams. So, is 9 an even number or an odd number? Let's try and form groups of 2. So, I put these 2 ice cream in one group, this 2 in the second group, this 2 in the third group, this 2 in the fourth group. But see, I have one ice cream left, so I cannot put it in the groups of 2. So 9 is an odd number because I cannot divide 9 into groups of 2. I have one ice cream left when I am trying to do that. Now over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 ice creams. So let me try and put this in the groups of 2. First group, second group, third group, fourth group and fifth group. So these are 10 ice creams and I was able to put them into groups of 2. So what is such a number called? Such a number is called even number. So I say that 10 is an even number. So the numbers which can be broken down or divided in the groups of 2 are called even, and the numbers which cannot be are called odd. What is the meaning of odd numbers? Numbers such as 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 cannot be put in pair. Pair means group of 2. These numbers are called odd numbers. What is the meaning of even numbers? Numbers such as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 can be put in pair, means in the group of 2. These numbers are called even numbers. Now to understand this topic better, let's see one story. Jack and Tina are eagerly waiting for their father. He is coming back from a trip to Mumbai. And he has promised to bring gifts for both Jack and Tina. Here comes their father. And he has brought them chocolates and cars. Their parents ask them to share chocolates and cars equally. Jack and Tina sit on the table and start dividing the chocolates. Jack takes one. Tina takes one. Jack takes one more. Tina too takes one more. Now Jack takes a third one. Tina takes a last one on the table. How many chocolates did Jack and Tina get? Jack got 3 chocolates and Tina also got 3 chocolates. How many chocolates are left? There are no chocolates left. Now Jack opens the box with the cars and put them on the table. Jack takes the blue car and Tina takes the red car. Jack now takes the yellow car and Tina takes the green car. There is one more car on the table. Jack and Tina both want the car. Tina tells her father that it is not fair or even that Jack gets an extra car. Look at the distribution of chocolates and cars between Jack and Tina. What was the difference in both these pictures? In the cases of chocolates, there were 6 chocolates. When Jack and Tina divided it in pairs or groups of 2 each, there was nothing left over. But in the case of cars, there were 5 of them in the box. So when the children divided it into pairs or groups of 2 each, 1 car was left over. So what you understood from this example? Number 6 can be divided into groups of 2 or pair. So 6 is an even number. But number 5 cannot be divided into groups of 2. 1 is left over here. So 5 is an odd number. So students, I hope you understood this topic completely and properly. Now it's homework time. Question number 1. Color the apples with odd numbers red. Color the apples with even numbers green. Question number 2. Write the following numbers are odd or even. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you.